Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Dave Cook, former Detective Chief Superintendent with London's Metropolitan Police, who took charge of multiple investigations into the murder of Daniel Morgan. After years of turmoil and public scrutiny, many want to know, where is he now? Let's break it all down. David Cook is a former senior detective who became well known for stepping in to lead the fourth and fifth investigations into the 1987 murder of Daniel Morgan, a private detective found murdered with an axe in a pub car park. Along the way, Cook got involved in the investigation of corruption, media intrusion, and the phone hacking scandal tied to News of the World. He was married to Jackie Hames, a former Crime Watch presenter, and their personal lives were also dragged into the controversy because of surveillance and press intrusion. Over the years, Cook has faced serious accusations. He was arrested in 2012 on suspicion of leaking information to a journalist, part of broader concerns about misconduct, media relations, and corruption. The Independent Police Complaints Commission, IPCC, investigated him. Ultimately, after nearly 4 years in limbo, the IPCC decided not to proceed with public interest in prosecuting him. He was cleared of those specific suspicions. Meanwhile, the Daniel Morgan Independent Panel has also been pressing forward, trying to get full disclosure and his side of the story. Cook has reported health concerns and complained about how he's been treated, including issues of privacy, mental health, and security. Where is David Cook now? As of now, Dave Cook is no longer a serving officer with the Metropolitan Police. He has left the force. He remains in the public eye mostly because of continued interest in the Daniel Morgan investigation. He has joined legal and public scrutiny, including formal complaints over how the police handled his treatment and his role in the case. He has given evidence to inquiries and has been scheduled at times to speak to various panels. Outside of that, his current everyday life is private health issues, security concerns, and legal status seem to define his present more than active police investigations or leadership roles. David Cook's story shows how long the road to truth can be, how involvement in one of the UK's grimmest unsolved cases, police corruption, and media power can stretch over decades. While cleared of some allegations, he's no longer an active officer and is still entangled in legal and reputational battles. Whether he will ever fully clear his name, or whether all truths will come out, remains uncertain.